This is gonna feel super weird. And whenever you're ready, you'll open your mouth wide and close your lips.
Whoa.
Where'd you hear it or feel it? What part of your face?
Like all through here. Cracks.
Big breath in and close your lips.
Whoa.
What part of your face did it crack?
Right here.
Yeah. Now take a breath in.
Yeah. Opened up, yeah. No, you feel the difference. It's crazy.